आसावा ब्रदर्स कॉमर्स जूनियर कॉलेज, कंसेप्ट बेस्ड एजुकेशन, जहां सपने सच होते हैं।
Hello friends, myself Som Sanjay Modal. Today I am going to explain PPT on Larsen and Toubro. It's all about engineering introduction. Larsen and Toubro Ltd is a technology, engineering, construction and manufacturing company. It is one of the largest and most respected companies in India's private sector. It has 7 decades of a strong customer focus approach. It has an international presence with a global spread of offices. It's supported by a wide marketing and distribution of networks. It have established a strong customer support. It continues to grow in overseas manufacturing footprint with facilities in China and Gulf region. It was founded in Bombay in 1938 by two Danish engineers. Their names were Henning Larsen and Soren Christian Toubro. 1938 to 1950, they started with trading and making dairy equipment fabrication, wartime ship repair. They entered into construction business. Then they entered into switchgear business. In 1960 to 1980, they emerged as one of the largest and best construction business. Then they commenced manufacturing earth moving equipment. Then they entered into the cement business in early 1980s. In 1990 to 2005, technology measures for engineering in power and hydrocarbon sector. In middle of 90s, they entered in IT and financial services. Then they initiated capacity expansion. Then they expanded development projects business. Then they took steps towards power generation. Their vision was to reflect the collective goal of company, customer satisfaction, enhancing shareholder value, empowered team, global benchmarks, also foster a culture of caring, trust and continuous learning while meeting stakeholders and society. In infrastructure was roads and bridges, ports and harbors, airports, railways, building and factories, urban infrastructure, water. In hydrocarbon, upstream, midstream, refineries, downstream. In power, EPC coal, EPC gas, hydro power, nuclear power, boilers and turbines, balance of plant, transmission and distribution. Their process was minerals and metals, bulk material handling and fertilizers. In others, construction and mining equipment, shipbuilding, defense and aerospace, machinery products, technology, electrical products. Their nationwide network was in manufacturing facilities in 18 locations. Logistic advantages, ability to optimize resource at various locations, offices in 19 cities, knowledge city, management development central, Lonavala. Some of the future plans were to design, engineer and manufacture and supply fans to Indian thermal power plants. Design and construct 36 high-speed interceptor boats for Indian Coast Guard. To set a plant in Bihar which will have the capacity to manufacture 1 lakh steel for railroad. To build a solid fuel captive power plant. Corporate social responsibility is it has charitable trust which conducts skill training at Mumbai, Lonavala, Aurangabad and Latur, which helps the employees and laborers. Supply of skilled labor to construction industry. Record of achievements: world's longest coal conveyor, Asia's highest viaduct, world regenerator for refinery, India's first nuclear powered submarine. Thank you.